si Jared Canto. Tapos ang record Tolstoy and everyday experience. Sino si Tolstoy? So si Leo Tolstoy, a Russian writer, philosopher, and political thinker, primarily wrote novels and short stories. A master of realistic fiction and is widely considered one of the world's greatest novels. Tolstoy wrote a short book called What is Art and the everyday conception of expressivism. So, nung nag-research ako tungkol kay Tolstoy, madalas talaga sa mga novels niya, mga tragic about war, mga malulungkot na story. Tapos kumuha ako ng konting letters para galing doon sa artist and human activity consisting on this. That one, consciously by means of certain external signs, hand-on to other feelings he has lived through and than other are infected by this feeling and also experience it. In these few words, Tolstoy captures a picture of artistic activity that is very widely shared. Artists are people inspired by an experience of deep emotion and they use their skills in word or paint or music or marble or movement to embody that emotion in work of art. So, yun nga, sabi niya doon sa yung short na quotes, sabi niya, yung emotions, parang siya yung nag-i-inspire sa mga artists, dancers, writers, siya yung nagbibigay ng inspiration para makagawa sila ng art. The concept of artistic expression and again at greater length at Alan Turing's the concept of expression. They can be listed as follows. First, in attributing the origins of artistic production to emotional experience, we appear to be determining a priori or by definition what can only be determined a posteriori or by experience and investigation. That is to say that the expression theory aims to assert in advance of considering any facts that emotional experience because Shakespeare, Hadin, Leonardo, Christopher, Wren, and countless other artists to create in the way that they did. But on this interpretation, it appears to be empirically false. Many celebrated artists have expressly denied that emotion lay at the heart of their work. So yun, maraming sabi doon sa article, maraming kumukontra doon sa sinabi doon sa article na sabi, yung gawa nila galing sa emotions na nangyayari. Parang gusto nila sabihin na may mas iba pa silang explanation para doon sa mga words. Second, by focusing upon the origins of a work as the criterion by which it is to be normatively classified as art, the expressivist theory seems to involve a version of what called the genetic fallacy. This is the fallacy. So, ano yung genetic fallacy? This is the fallacy of assessing the merits of something by referring to its cause. Prosperous puts the point in this way. Even all artists, ito yung sinabi ni Prosperous dun sa article. Even if all artists did in fact go through the process described by the expression theory, and even if nobody but artists did this, would it be true to say that the work of art was a good one because the artist in creating it went through this or that series of experiences implying his meaning? Once the issue is put thus badly, I cannot believe that anyone could easily reply in the affirmative. It seems much to claim that the merits of a work of art must be judged by that we need in the work of art, quite regardless of the